Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So today we will finish this topic, right, finding angle between the curves. But most important, we are going to get 7 marks question from this topic. So be careful and practice these problems carefully. So here in this class we will solve 2 problems. So first one, what is the first question? Find the angle between 2 curves are given to you. In the fourth quadrant, especially here it is mentioned that find the angle in the fourth quadrant. So come on, what is the given curve equations? So given curve equations are, so first one is 2y square minus 9x is equal to 0. This is your first curve equation, and it is 3x square plus 4y is equal to 0. This is your second equation. By solving 1 and 2, we will get point of intersection, right? By solving all problems we did like this only, isn't it? 1 and 2 we get point of intersection, point of intersection of the curves. Okay, so we will get curve equations. So come on, how we will solve these equations? So from 1, what is that? Your equation is 2y square is equal to 9. 2y square minus 9x is equal to 0. Here you can take 2y square is equal to 9x. Okay, send 9 this side. 2y square by 9 is equal to x. Okay, so you got your x value. Substitute this x in 2 equation. Substitute x in second equation. Okay, so then what happens is equal to 3 into x is 2y square by 9 whole square plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, so is equal to 3 into 2 whole square is 4, y square whole square is y to the power of 4 by 9 square is 81 plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, how much? 3 twos are, next 3 sevens are. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 21 will be there, 3 7s are 21. So now you are having your equation as 4y to the power of 4 by 27 plus 4y is equal to 0. So you take your 4y outside, right? Then you will have your y cube by 27 plus 1 is equal to 0. So implies we got 4y is equal to 0 and y cube by 27 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we got 2 equations, y is equal to 0 and y cube by 27 plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 is not in fourth quadrant. Here take the value in fourth quadrant. They asked, right, find the angle between these 2 curves in fourth quadrant. What is the meaning of fourth quadrant? So if you observe, right, this is first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this is your third quadrant, this is your fourth quadrant. So if we take the fourth quadrant, the values, your x will be positive, y will be negative. So we should get the coordinates like this, positive and negative values, but not y is equal to 0. Now come to this. What happens? We can take this as y cube by 27 is equal to minus 1, and we can write this as y cube is equal to minus 27, and we can write this as, come on, how we can write minus 3 whole cube, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus only, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So with this, what is your y value? Y is equal to minus 3. What I said, if a point belongs to fourth quadrant, y coordinate must be negative. Yes, we got y coordinate as negative. Now substitute this y in your x value. Where is our x value? So we got x is equal to, isn't it? So now you take x is equal to 2y square by 9 is equal to 2 into y square minus 3 square by 9 is equal to 2 into 9 by 9. Cancel, it is 2. So therefore, what is your point of intersection? Therefore, P, what is your point x comma y? That is 2 comma minus 3 is point of intersection, right? In fourth quadrant, here it is mentioned, find the angle at fourth quadrant. So we have to find the point of intersection at fourth quadrant. After that, we have to find the angle. How we will find? First you take your first curve equation, right? So first curve equation is, what is your first curve equation? Come on, it is 2y square minus 9x is equal to 0. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Why we are doing? To get our derivative of this function, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Then what happens? It is d by dx of 2y square minus 9x is equal to d by dx of 0. So whenever plus minus, we will take separate derivatives. So it is d by dx of 2y square minus d by dx of 9x is equal to 0. So come on, how we can take 2 into d by dx of y square minus 9 into d by dx of x is equal to 0. So 2 into 2y dy by dx minus 9 d by dx of x is 1. So come on, it is 2 into 2y means 4y. So 4y dy by dx is equal to 9. So what will be your dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to 9 by 4y. Okay, so this is your f dash x. So f dash x is equal to 9 by 4y. Okay, so next you take another curve equation. What is the second curve equation? Another curve means nothing but second curve equation. What is second curve equation? It is 3x square, right, plus 4y is equal to 0. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So come on, it is d by dx of 3x square plus 4y is equal to d by dx of 0. Okay, so what happens? Whenever separate derivatives, plus is there, we have to take separate derivatives. So d by dx of 4y is equal to 0. So come on, 3 into d by dx of x square is 2x plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 0. So it is 6x plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 0. So we can write 4 into dy by dx is equal to minus 6x. Then what will be your dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to minus 6x by 4 is equal to minus 3x by 2. Right. So it is 2 3s are 2 4s. So it is minus 3x by 2 is your dy by dx. Okay, so once you got your g dash x value, so g dash x is equal to minus 3x by 2. This is your g dash x, this is your f dash x, right? Once you got your g dash x, f dash x, you find out your angle between the curves. So what is the, how we will find angle between the curves at the point P? So we have to find angle at the point P. So what is your point P? So if you solve this one, right, we got our point, what is your x is equal to 2 and this is, and y is equal to minus 3. P2 comma minus 3 is the point of intersection. So we have to find angle at P means 2 comma minus 3 we have to find. So how we will find angle at P2 comma minus 3? First we have to find M1. M1 is equal to, come on, how we will find f dash x at your point P2 comma minus 3. So M1 is equal to f dash x. What is your f dash x? 9 by 4y at 2 comma minus 3. So it is 9 by 4 into y is minus 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 3s are, so it is minus 3 by 4. Similarly, you take M2. M2 is equal to g dash x at the point P2 comma minus 3. So come on, M2 is equal to, your g dash x is minus 3x by 2. So minus 3x is minus 3 by 2 is equal to, your value is how much? This value is 9 by 2. Okay, so M2 is minus 3 by 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So it is minus 3x by 2. Okay, so we have to find at the point 2 comma minus 3, right? So here x value we have to substitute, that is 2. So 2 to cancel, this value is minus 3. Okay, once it is over, you take your tan theta value. Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so is equal to, it is m1. What is our m1? We got m1 as minus 3 by 4. Minus of minus plus 3 by 1 plus m1. It is minus 3 by 4. M2 is minus 3. Okay, so is equal to, what is the LCM? 4 is the LCM, minus 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay, by 1 plus 1, it is 9 by 4. So is equal to 12 minus 3, right? That is 9 by 4. And here 4 plus 9 by 4. Okay, so is equal to 9 by 4 and 13 by 4. 4 4 cancel, is equal to 9 by 13. Okay, so therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of 9 by 13 is the angle between the curves. Okay, so this is your first question. First you take the two curve equations like this, then we have to find their point of intersection. Okay, so from the first one you got your x value, x is equal to 2y square by 9. Okay, substitute that one in the second equation, you will get your y value. We got y is equal to 0 and we got y is equal to minus 3. But here it is given that point should belongs to fourth quadrant, right? So fourth quadrant means compulsory y coordinate should be negative, x coordinate should be positive. So here you got y is equal to 0. We cannot take y is equal to 0 is not there in the fourth quadrant. So we can take y is equal to minus 3, right? This is in fourth quadrant. Then you substitute in x, you will get your 0.2. So x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So this point belongs to fourth quadrant. Once we got the point, we have to find the derivative of first curve, and that should be taken as f dash x. Right. Next we have to take derivative of second curve, that should be taken as g dash x. Once we got f dash x, g dash x, then we have to find angle at the point. How? So f dash x at P is m1, g dash x at P is m2. Then you take tan theta formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Substitute, you will get your angle. Okay, so that is your first question. Come to the second question. If you observe this one, show that these two curves touch each other at the point 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So very simple, just find out the derivative of this function, right, dy by dx, and substitute this point. And similarly, that means f dash x, first curve's derivative f dash x, you find out f dash x at this point. Similarly, you find out g dash x, that means the derivative of second function, right, at this point. If the derivative of first function is equal to the derivative of second function, then we can say that the two curves touch each other. Okay, so that is your second question. You try to solve this as homework problem. Okay, so practice these problems. With this we completed this unit. So from this unit you are going to get one 7 marks question, one 4 marks question, totally 11 marks. Okay, so practice perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.